Hello, friends. This is Neeraj again, and let's learn something today. So, today's topic is going to be about importance of web analytics in business growth. As you already know, that like today is the digital life. If you just have an offline business, you are nowhere to be seen. So the next thing is that you must have an online business. But just having an online business is not going to help you out because you will have to monitor that particular online business, like whether your website is working or not, whether the customers are really coming or not. And you need to monitor every aspect for that, and that's where the web analytics comes into picture. And it is very important that you have the right web analytics uh, into like you use the right analytics to give you an idea about your business. If you choose if you do not perform this particular action in the right way, I'm sorry to say that it may hamper your business. So let us now learn about uh, what is web analytics. Okay, so what is web analytics? Web analytics actually give you is basically some kind of software which gives you insights about insights of data. Okay, which can be used to enhance your website, your the user experience on the website. So why is it important? Number one, you can understand user behavior. It's very important that you understand user behavior. Uh, you must be wondering, oh, what is user behavior? See, user behavior means that which pages they visit, how long they are there on each page, actions they perform on that particular website. Then the bounce rate. Bounce rate means if they are really there on the website, or they just go to that particular page and they sign out. So these information actually user behavior is vast, but these I just wanted to give you an idea about what is user behavior. Second is to measure website performance. Uh, Website performance means the visitors that are coming on your website, the page views to your website, the conversion rate, the bounce rate, the session duration. Session duration means the how much time the user is there on the website. Next step or next point is identifying target audience. You are able to identify the target audience. Now, what is a target audience? If you have a certain product and you are going to sell that product, and you're using the online method, then it has to cater to a certain kind of people. So that's why you have to identify your target audience, and that can be done by finding out demographic data, or getting the demographic data. That is, which type of customers are actually coming to your website, what is the age, gender, location, and then you can actually plan out your marketing campaigns according to that. Next point is improving user experience. So, user experience is very necessary for the good performance of the website. The user experience may be hampered if there is a high bounce rate. Bounce rate, as I told you, is where the customer or the prospective customer comes to your website and then maybe goes ahead, goes out, disappears, or it may be the low conversion rate, or there may be a low engagement, or maybe the time to load your website, maybe it may be taking a lot of time. So these are the factors that need to be considered so that you can improve the user. performance, and that can be done by the web analytics tool. So now let us see the advantages of web analytics. I think it will be similar, more or less similar, but let's see it. Number one, the advantage is it gives you an improved web performance. It gives you high conversion rate. It gives you more engagement and cost-effective marketing. You must be wondering. I'll just explain the last part because the first three are self-explanatory, and I explained you. Cost-effective marketing is because that you're identifying the target audience, and then you're doing the marketing. So that's why it targeted campaigns, which will bring more benefits. Now you might be wondering which are the best tools in market. The web analytics tool, uh, I can give you some of them. First one is O-Tracker. As you know, that I am also a early adopter in ONPASSIVE, and they have this wonderful product called O-Tracker, which is using the like it's a AI based web analytic tool. So the latest one, I'm going to talk about it in detail. But apart from that, there are Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics. Then there is Matomo, Matomo, and Mixpanel. Uh, so, but like if you will ask me personally, which I would be using, I don't have a website as of now, but I'm going to create a new website, and which one I would be using. The one which I will be using will be definitely O-Tracker, and there are reasons behind it. So I'm going to tell you the reasons why I'm going to use it. Number one, about the user behavior. User behavior, it gives you a user behavior dashboard where you get the total visitors, the new visitors, the returning visitors, the bounce rate, the time spent, the browser that that the users are using, then the device that they are using, like a laptop, desktop, or a tablet, then the city they are located in, uh, then keyword, you can also see the keywords that are there. So this is basically a user behavior dashboard where you see all the details in there. Keyboard count means the sorry, I just uh, did explain that. Keyword count means which keyword are they entering so that they are coming on your website. So that is also important. So this is the user behavior dashboard which is there in O-Tracker. Next, detailed geolocation. It will give you a detailed geolocation, which is very important to identify and maybe run marketing campaigns on that, or maybe take action, whatever you want to do. But detailed geolocation is important. It finds out the city, and I'm sure it will find out. Like you also have IP blocking. You can block an IP address, or you can block multiple IP addresses. That's very useful. Then it is also used for A/B testing. A/B testing, if you have heard it for the first time, it means I'll give you an example so that you can understand it better. So the developers have created a website, and they want to test out their website, and they want to test out where should the uh, contact me option be there for getting leads. One team says it should be on the top. Another one says that it should be in the uh, middle of the website. Now, with the A/B testing, you can actually create both these websites and actually give them equal traffic. and then test out which works out well. So you can actually even do with you can track this with O-Tracker. So this was a very small example. I know A/B testing is much more complicated than this, but I just thought that it will give you an idea about it. Then it is used to create dynamic reports. Then it is used for, as I told you, the count of keywords. Heat map. Heat map also, it gives you an like a visual representation of what you're looking out for, what you have done as a filter. Then it also has a user path, uh, which is fantastic. User path means then what all has he done uh, on the website once he has entered on your website. So the user journey is shown there, and all this is on real-time basis. The data is on real-time basis, and it also gives you notifications. Uh, you can actually set up your notifications. So these are all the functions of O-Tracker, and these are only the starting functions. I'm sure that as we go along, more and more updates will be done to O-Tracker. So uh, I love that. I'm going to use that. And I would suggest, if you're really looking out for some web analytics tool, definitely you should look into that. So if you're interested in O-Tracker, what you just need to do is go down in the description box. I will have a link. Just go ahead and sign on, like using that link, and then check out the O-Tracker. So I hope you like today's video. I will be back with another another videos. I'll be back with few videos. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel, like it, and give comments or what. Let me know uh, how I can improve on the same. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.